Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add shadow to text in Publisher document. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add shadow to text. Now going select from a text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from text. Now select from text. Now change size. Now going to the text format option, then click for a text effect option. Now click for a shadow option. Now insert shadow. Now for click and again text fill option, then click for enhance color. That it. Then you show add shadow in text in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.